If you would like to view planning information, simply select the field on the map. The most recent activity will populate. In this case, we can see a side dress application, 2020 tank mix is the most recent activity. Select at the top of the page where you have 2020 tank mix to view all activities that have been completed in the field. We can see under 2020, I have a tank mix application 3 different times, as well as a corn seeding activity on May 2nd. Also at the top, you can select the work layer, harvest, application, seeding, tillage, and contributed. If I would only like to look at seeding, I can simply turn off harvest and turn off application to filter the list down to only seeding applications. If I would like to turn the others back on, simply click those back on. To view my planning information, I'm going to click the arrow on the right-hand side of the page under corn seeding. I can see it was done on May 2nd, completed at 9:07 p.m. Average rate was 36,000, and there were 3 varieties planted in the field. If I would like to see the as-applied rate, select the bubble on the right side to view that map. I can see this field was planted at different rates due to a prescription. I can pull the legend over from the right side to view those different rates. If I would like to change the variety, select as applied rate at the top, select the arrow on the right hand side, and select actual varieties. The 3 indicates there were 3 varieties planted in the field. I can in fact see my 3 varieties and see 2 varieties were striped across the field. Pull the legend out from the right hand side to view the different varieties and what color designates which variety. I can also pull up my field information from the bottom and see all of my field details. Start time, completion time, acres covered, as well as target and actual rates, as well as the rates for each different variety. If I would need to edit, I can edit the variety names if they were logged in correctly using the pencil at the bottom of the page. If I would like to view replan information, I can jump into a field that has a replan application, select my map layers at the top, and I can see this field has an original plant of May 7th and a replanted date on June 6th. If dates are more than 10 days apart, you will see 2 different map layers as you do on this field. If I would like to see my replan information, I'll select the arrow for June 6th to see more field details. I can select as applied rate, and I can see where the replant took place in the field. There's a small area on the west hand side, as well as more area on the east side in my end rows. I can pull up my field details, see when it was completed, 1.4 acres was planted, as well as what the rates were. If I would like to print this information out to share with another party to show where the replan occurred, I can simply select share. A report will be generated. I can text, email, or print the report that shows the map of the field along with the field details.